How much, Dave?
Clutch cable is hanging on by 2 strands. Fuel petcock is leaking. We're not gonna ride that today. I'm recording this piss too, by the way.
Dude, your penis better be in.
It is now.
Damn it, dude. Hey, you want some filming? It's always something. All right, we got Jacob over here on his YZ250, my brother on his SSR 110, and we got me on my 125 Apollo. And we're gonna actually try to, this is probably another second half of the video, because I got a flat last time, and yeah, I had to put a new tube in it. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully I don't have a freaking flat again. Oh. Freaking sticks. I think we're good. I keep hearing something. Dude, my chain fucking guide fucking broke. Alright, dude, I just start riding. What the fuck? I can't catch a break. Are you sorry, dude? Are you kidding me? Dude, it would not be a video if something didn't break. I literally can't ride anything. I can't, dude. I might as well just stop the channel now.
Uh-oh.
What? The chain guide snapped. It snapped right off. I can't drive anything.
Hold on, buddy. That might not be the end of the world.
I thought I heard a bunch of noise. I saw a little stick, and I was like, dude, I'm hearing something.
Where does this even go on? It's supposed to go down there, right?
Yeah.
The bolts fell out. That's why this fucking went up and then broke this. Wow.
Just start going.
Even when Steven buys brand new.
It doesn't matter. Chinese
Very funny.
special, dude.
Hopefully
I'm
your
just
brother
gonna
comes
just
back.
go home, dude. I'm just gonna fucking sit home and drink and just play video
Bring
games.
the fucking four-wheeler out.
I'm just gonna jerk off.
Bring the four-wheeler out.
Dude, like, I wanted to fucking ride this today. I'm so
We
sick.
still can.
Yeah, I know, I just gotta rip that shit off and just
Yeah.
say fuck the guide. Here, just go back and grab my little tool set. Yeah, give me a fucking Truly, dude.
Get your drink.
I hate my life.
So we'll grab this set here. And we need Allen's. Oh my goodness. Look, perfectly good quad right here. Wants to ride the dirt bike, which I don't blame him. There's a reason why I got a dirt bike. Because they're free to eat. Okay. Oops. And we're off.
Alright, so we got that stupid fucking chain guide off. Hopefully I can get some riding in. Probably blow the chain off. Probably blow my brains out. Alright, back at it. So many leaves though. So slick. Oh, we made it out here. Shit. Dude, these tires like fucking fully aired up to what they say, like 36 in the back and 32 in the front. It's so slick, dude. Hey! Making sure everything's good.
That's good.
You know? 3, 2, 1, go! Dude, these fucking tires are not gripping up. Dude, so sick. Yeah, dude, I got no grip on this thing.
What do you mean?
I didn't air the tires down. They're so inflated. It just wants to wash out on everything.
That's what you want, dude.
So I probably would have been in front of you, but I was in first, and then I went to hit second, and I just didn't even hit gear, and I just stayed in first, and then you went right by me, and I was like, okay.
Dude,
I didn't click it up.
wind out second on these straights, and then I'm fucking hammering the brakes. I'm sliding into them. Because there's not enough room.
Oh, yeah.
That's fun.
It is.
It is funny, though.
This little thing goes pretty good.
Dude, well, when me and him, like, ripped down the road, like, I didn't get gaining on him until I hit fourth gear. It's like the same speed for that thing. And this
Well,
is
I
what...
was pinned in fourth.
Oh,
already.
okay.
Yeah.
You got 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all 4 until you get up to what, the 250?
Nah, even those are 4.
Those are 4 too? Nice, dude.
Dude, it was
I almost
rough
went over
through
the
that.
handlebars.
I didn't know you were fucking following me.
I was like, oh, where'd he go? I was like, oh, he went that way. I'm gonna follow him.
That was the first time I've been through there, and it is.
I look over and I just see Nick like.
There's fucking some big holes. The last one out was like.
I bet you could like Steve with bigger tires and just a bigger frame, like a 125 at the minimum.
Yeah, like an actual bike.
You'd be better, more stable, for sure.
This thing does want to dance around a lot. You're just trying to.
I'm not stable in that fucking
That makes you that much better of a rider than him.
Well,
You can control,
well,
if you control that little squirrely fucking thing.
yeah, that's squirrely, dude, for sure.
Mine is.
He almost made it. Hold on. Hold on. Oh yeah. Just muscled his way up. It's just so soft right there. It's funny having this on my shoulder like I'm holding a big, like a big movie camera.
he's holding his entire helmet right now.
Just holding it like I'm
like it's a fucking movie
shooting
camera.
an action movie right now. That's awesome, dude.
Half of it was the dirt bike, the other half was him.
Yeah, he's just walking it up, dude. Just friggin'. Hell yeah, buddy. What do we got going on, brother?
Well, spokes are loose.
I highly recommend you
A little
purchase
dab of-
this. I highly recommend you purchase this particular model dirt bike.
China.
China. China. Dude, all your spokes are mint.
I told you I got mine for 6.
All right, we're going up for a second ride here. Attempt. We freaking tighten up the chain, put the chain guard back on, tightened all the sprockets, Loctited all the sprockets, tighten the throttle cable. So in theory, this thing shouldn't hopefully have any other issues. But yeah, and I lowered the tire pressure. The tire, they recommend 32 in the front, 36 or whatever. So we put them down to 20 in the front and like 22 in the rear. And it definitely grips up a lot better. I know, but we couldn't even leave the driveway before we had a problem.
No, there's no problem.
No problem here. We took a tinkle. Oh. It's so dark through my goggles. Oh my nutsack! Oh my god! dude, he didn't, he's probably not happy we're fucking absolutely fucking making a absolute festival out here with noise. Now that I'm actually driving my brother, I'm actually keeping up. Jacob and him are always far ahead, and I'm like, oh god, I'm never catching them. I don't want to say this, I might be a dirt bike guy now. These things are so fun. Jacob's coming. Sucks his GoPro died. Get a bigger bike or not, dude, this thing is like, dude, they're so fun. I haven't ridden dirt bikes in years before this, and I actually surprised myself how I haven't really fucking eaten shit more. I'm gonna jinx myself right now, but this thing is super fun, and I'm starting to get a little more comfortable on it. This grip though is pissing me the fuck off. Oh! It's so much louder! Alright, fuck it, end of the video, high five. Hell yeah, brother. Nick!
Right.
Nick, end of the video right here, high five.
You might want to go grab your wrench before you move it. But